So I've been thinking, can I work out what my power bill will be before it comes, so I could be prepared, allocate money or whatnot. So I began thinking, how could I do this? Now, I can't directly read the meter because I don't have access to it. So what's the next best thing? Is look at the flashes that it does. So every flash that this thing does is 1 watt hour. Now for every 1,000 flashes is 1 kilowatt hour. So every 1,000 flashes for me is about 35 cents Australian. So if I can count the flashes, I know what my bill's going to be. This is how I'm going to do it. Inside this is a light dependent resistor, or an LDR. Now what that does is it changes resistance depending on how much light is on it. So what I want to use is one of these to put over the LED pulse, capture it, and then record it. Alright, so inside this box is an Arduino Uno, and that Uno is going to record that for me. But next week I'm going to replace that all with a little ESP8266, upload it to the cloud, and try and fit it all just in front of the smart meter here. Stick around, let's see how it goes. Alright, so what you can see is every pulse that is counted so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset it, then get it to start again, and then time it for 30 minutes and see what we get. So it's been about 30 minutes and we've had 265 pulses, so that's about 10 cents worth of electricity, I'd say. So 20 cents an hour in the middle of the day, that's not bad. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to come back and check out the next one. So the next one, I'll have a ESP8266 hooked up to the front, and I'll be pumping it onto the cloud, most likely ThinkSpeak, and then I will have to get that data back and then create like a graph in C#. Alright, so stick around to see that.